Ms. Bentley, how you doing today?
Good morning, Mr. Williams. I'm fine.
Okay, all right. This is State of Michigan versus Andrea Bentley, case Z8059221. Ma'am, today is the date and time set for a review. Ms. Bentley, how you doing today?
I'm doing fine.
I'm fine.
I'm sorry, I had a bit of an echo there. Ma'am, it looks like you did everything that we asked you to do. I've signed the discharge order, so you are discharged from probation.
Thank you.
Ms. Bentley, this case is closed and you are done with us.
Thank you. Thank
Congratulations,
you.
ma'am.
Thank you.
All right. You're free to go. Thank you.
Thank you. This one thing off my back.
Well, I'm glad you finished up.
Yes. Okay, so what do I do now?
That's it.
Okay, that's it?
That's it. I'm going to remove you from the chat.
Okay, well, nice meeting you, Mr. Larry. Thank you.
Nice meeting you too. Bye.
Okay.
Is Blackwell on the docket today?
Yes. Deonta?
Yeah.
Yes. He is.
Okay.
Yep, he's for 835, Judge.
Oh, no, I keep missing him. Okay. This is weird. It's a default hearing.
Hold on, let me check his file real fast, Judge. It's for, oh yeah, it says failing to secure passenger. Hold on, I'm gonna check something real fast. Okay, Judge, it looks like Mr. Blackwell has some other cases, some misdemeanors.
We did them at the same time. We did them.
the misdemeanors were dismissed, and I'm not sure what happened with the civil infraction. I don't know if it wasn't there that day or was just missed.
I'm gonna hold off on that one. I gotta look at some stuff.
Okay. And I can give you the cases that was issued on the same day if you like.
No, I got them all. It was
Okay.
like he got a lot of tickets that day. He pissed somebody
Yeah.
off.
He did. Yeah. And Beasley is I think number 1, Judge.
Oh, all right, Miss Beasley.
Hello.
Hi, Miss Beasley.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is State of Michigan versus Jewel Beasley, case SP 107-3764, count 1, and SP 103-75891. Ma'am, could you state your name for the record?
Yes, my name is Jewel Renee Beasley.
Okay, Miss Beasley, today is the day set for a pretrial. You get 2 misdemeanors that are in warrant status. Ma'am, I'm going to remove the warrants from those cases. It looks like you paid your civil infractions off, so I'm going to dismiss these 2 cases because you paid the other ones off.
God bless you. Thank you. Thank you, sir. I appreciate you, Honor.
Now, Ms. Beasley, you're still going to be responsible for 2 $45 reinstatement fees for these cases because they went into warrant status, but you take care of those and you're all set with 36th District Court.
Okay, so I could do that. Excuse me, Your Honor. I just need to know I have to come down there and pay.
You can pay them online at 36districtcourt.org or the DivDat kiosk. I know they got them at CVS's around Detroit.
Okay, I'm not going to disrespect you. I don't know how to work those. So if I got a money order, can I take it back to the cashier like I did before, sir?
Yes, ma'am. You can do that.
God bless you. Thank you, son. I love you, Judge. Thank you so much. And you have a blessed and safe life here. Thank you so much.
Good
so
luck,
$45 twice. I got $45 2 times. I got you. I wrote it. I'm writing it down, Your Honor.
All right.
And I will get down as soon as possible. God bless you, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
You're welcome, ma'am. Take care and good luck.
I will, and you stay safe, sir. Thank you again.
I will. You stay safe as well.
Okay. I can hang up?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, sir. I don't want to be disrespectful and cut you off until you were through.
Nope. You're good.
Thank you. Oh, thank you, Father. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus.
I got Tavion Bowers. Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Could you state your name for the record, please?
Tavion Bowers Livas.
Okay, this is State of Michigan versus Tavion Bowers Livas, case SP 109-27061, SP 109-2945, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP 977-9771. Mr. Livas, sir, you're here today for 2 matters, 2 incidents. There's the fresh case, the matter that took place June 23rd, 2020. There was also a ticket that was in warrant status from March 15th, 2019. Mr. Bowers Livas, sir, there's an offer today that if you plead to 1 count of failure to display a valid license, which is a no-point misdemeanor, the rest of the matters will be dismissed today. The fine will be $240, but I will give you time to pay that if you need it.
Okay, so you said agree to no license.
Yep, well, failure to display a valid license is a reduced charge with no counts. Yep, Mr. Bowers, live, sir, I'm gonna have to ask you to find somewhere you can stay still for a minute. You're just kind of making us all dizzy.
I'm sorry, I can't now. I was just getting my paperwork because I thought you might have needed something else.
Yep. No, it's okay. Just let us know when you're ready.
I'm ready. I'm sorry.
Okay. Sir, you can take that off, or you also have the right to contest these tickets, take them to trial if you like.
No, that's what you said sounds good.
Okay, sir, could you raise your right hand? You promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sir, you understand that you can take these matters to trial if you wanted to?
Yeah.
Okay, sir, directing your attention to the date of June 23rd, 2020. Sir, were you pulled over in the area of 7 Mile and Burgess?
Yes.
Sir, at that time, were you driving without a valid license?
Yes.
Okay, sir, I'm going to accept your plea to the amended charge of failure to display. The rest of the matters that I called today will be dismissed pursuant to this agreement. Sir, I'm going to assess a fine of $240. Sir, how much time do you think you would need to pay that?
2 weeks.
Okay, sir, we give you we'll say, what's today, the 11th? We'll say April 2nd, just to be sure, okay?
Okay.
Judge,
Sir.
what's up that day?
Take that back. That's a bad day. We'll say April 5th?
Yes.
April 5th, 2021.
Okay.
Sir, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
All right.
Oh,
Then
do I have to come down to the 36th district, or can I pay that online?
you can pay it online at 36districtcourt.org, or you can pay it at the DivDat kiosks, which I know they're at CVS's and some other places around town.
Okay. That's all.
Okay. And that's it. That's it for us. Thank you very much,
Okay,
sir.
thanks. Have a good one.
You too.
Judge, for the civil infraction, are you removing the
Default?
Yes.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Is the bullet, sir? Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, I can.
How you doing? My name is Judge Williams. Let me call your case. This is State of Michigan versus Robert Bullitt, case strike that case 17300-924, counts 1 and 2. Sir, you're charged with 1 count of driving with a license that's suspended, 1 count of no insurance. Sir, these are both 2017 cases. I'm going to remove the warrant on both matters. Mr. Bullitt, sir, if you would like to resolve these today, there's an offer that if you plead to an amended charge of failure to display a valid license instead of the driving while license suspended, that's a no point offense. And the second count, the no insurance, will be dismissed. The fine will be $240, but I will give you time to pay that if you needed it.
Okay, I have put $400 up bond.
Okay, well, yeah, we can apply your bond to that ticket and they'll send you the balance back.
Okay.
Would you like to take that offer? You also have the right
Yes.
to contest these tickets, take them to trial.
Yes, I'll take that offer.
Okay, sir, could you raise your right hand? Do you promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
All right, Mr. Bullitt, sir, you understand that you can go to trial in these cases?
Yes, I do.
All right, sir, directing your attention to the date of February 3rd, 2017. Sir, were you pulled over in the area of 94 at Grandy?
Yes.
Sir, at that time, did you fail to display a valid license to the police officer?
Yes.
Okay, sir, I'm going to accept your plea to the amended charge of failure to display a valid license. I'm going to dismiss the no insurance charge pursuant to this agreement. Sir, I'm going to fine you $240. There's also a $45 reinstatement fee in this matter because the case went into warrant status. You want us to apply your bond on this ticket?
Yes, please.
Okay. So we'll apply the bond, and that hold should be removed in a couple of weeks, sir. All right.
Great. Thank you very much.
Do you have any questions?
No, I do not.
All right. Thank you very much. And they'll send you the balance back.
Okay, great. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Have a good day.
Bye. Ms. Black,
Yes,
how you doing, man? What is your middle name?
Tamara.
Okay, this is State of Michigan versus Kim Black, case SP 104-25771. Ms. Black, you are charged with one count of driving while your license was suspended. Ms. Black, it looks like you paid the expired plates ticket, so I'm going to dismiss this case. I'm going to dismiss the misdemeanor because you took care of the other ticket.
Okay.
Ma'am, you're still going to be responsible for a $45 reinstatement fee because this matter went into warrant status, but you take care of that, and you should be good for 36.
Okay.
Do you have any questions, ma'am?
No.
All right. Thank you very much.
Irritating.
Hi, Ms. Bell.
Hi,
Hi, ma'am. Could you state your name for the record, please?
Melkia Bill.
Okay, this is State of Michigan versus Melkia Bell, case T547582, count 1. Ms. Bell, you're charged with one count of driving while your license was expired. Ma'am, it looks like you took care of the no proof of insurance ticket. So I'm going to dismiss this case because you paid the other ticket.
Yes.
Okay, case is dismissed per agreement. Ms. Bies, could you waive the reinstatement fee on this matter as well?
Okay.
Okay, Ms. Bell, you are all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
But
Mr. Bell, Mr. Bannister, I'm sorry, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, this is State of Michigan versus Damani Bannister, case U 565-80220. Sir, could you state your name for the record?
Damani Bannister.
Okay, Mr. Bannister, sir, today is the day set for a pretrial. You're charged with one count of offering to engage the services of another for an act of prostitution. Sir, this is a misdemeanor with a maximum penalty of 93 days in the Wayne County Jail or a $500 fine. There's also a minimum jail sentence on this matter of 45 days. Sir, I'm continuing your not guilty plea. Mr. Bannister, sir, at this time, there's an offer in this matter that if you plead to an amended charge of disorderly conduct, the original charge would be reduced. Mr. Taylor?
Yes, sir.
I'd like to put you in a room with Mr. Bannister so you can discuss his options kind of going forward, whether he wants to set this matter for a trial date or take the offer of disorderly conduct. Mr. Bannister, can I put you in a private room with the attorney so you guys can talk?
Yes.
Okay, 1 second. I'm gonna set up the breakout room.
Okay.
Okay, she should be able to join the room.
Okay.
Hey, Judge, I'm about to call you, okay?
Okay.
Your Honor.
Mr. Taylor?
Yes, sir. Yeah. He would like to, yeah, this is Ed Taylor, P57166.
Hold tight
Yeah,
real quick. We gotta get him back in the room.
Oh, my bad.
It takes about a minute for that room to close and him to pop out.
Okay.
Oh, he's coming. Okay. All right, back on the record of Mr. Bannister. Mr. Taylor?
Good morning, Your Honor. Edward Taylor, P57166, appearing on behalf of Mr. Bannister. Mr. Bannister would like to avail himself of the people's offer, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Bannister, sir, could you raise your right hand? You promise to tell the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Bannister, sir, you understand that you can take these matters to trial if you wanted to?
Yes.
Anybody offering you anything other than what we just talked about?
No.
All right, sir, directing your attention to the date of September 29th, 2020. Sir, were you in the area of John R. and Remington at about 7:10 p.m.?
Yes.
Sir, at that time, did you engage in disorderly conduct?
Yes.
All right, sir, I'm going to accept your plea to the amended charge of disorderly conduct. Sir, I am going to assess a fine of $500. Sir, when do you believe you can pay this by?
Probably beginning of April.
Okay, we'll give you to June 30th, 2021, just to be sure.
Okay, thanks.
All right, Mr. Bannister, I would note that the city doesn't offer the same deal if you get picked up on another one of these cases.
Right, it won't happen.
So keep that in mind. You know, that's a minimum jail sentence, so, okay?
Okay, Your Honor.
All right, make sure that's paid by the 30th of June.
June 30th? Okay.
Do you have any questions, sir?
No, I don't.
All right, thank you very much.
All right, thank you.
I'm doing Barucki.
Hello.
Hi, sir, could you
Hi.
state your name for the record?
My name is Frank Barucki. B
Oh.
as in boy. Oh, sorry.
No, that's okay, Mr. Barucki. Thank you for joining us. This is State of Michigan versus Frank Barucki, case U 576-41720. Today
Yes.
is the day set for trial. People are not ready to proceed, so this matter will be dismissed without prejudice. Mr. Barucki, this case is dismissed.
Dismiss. Oh, well, thank you so much.
Okay, that's why we needed a trial.
Is this Judge Williams?
This is he.
I thank you so much, Judge Williams, and you have a fantastic day.
You too, Mr. Barucki.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, now we got Blackwell, which I'm still kind of figuring out. Actually, give me 1 second. Oh, we got 2 people now.
Hello?
Good morning, Mr. Butler. I just wanted to let you know that we know that you're here. Once the judge is ready to hear your matters, we're going to pull you back into the courtroom. So I'm going to place you back in the waiting room until he's ready for you, okay?
Okay, wonderful.
All right, thank you. FYI, if you're driving, you may want to pull over too.
No, I ain't driving. I'm not driving.
Okay, all right. Hold on one moment for me. Thank you. That's what happened. Okay.
All right, Mr. Taylor. I think Walter Butler has a OTE. If you can talk to him like you talked to the last guy, let him know his options. The offer is going to be disorderly, so whatever he wants to do.
Very well.
Mr. Butler, sir, can you hear me?
Yes.
Sir, are you driving right now? Are you driving right now?
About to pull out.
Okay. I'm gonna put you back in the room for a moment. I'll bring you back in a second.
You ain't got to do it. I'm pulled out now. Stop.
1 second, sir.
I just asked him that. Judge, I can tell you what happened with the with Mr. Blackwell.
Okay.
So on September 30th, he was scheduled for an arraignment, and he did not appear that day. But then on October 1st, I rescheduled him for his misdemeanors and the civil infraction that's scheduled for today. But he came in on February 18th, but we only heard the misdemeanor cases and not the civil infraction.
Oh,
so the
okay.
civil infraction was still scheduled for today.
Just one of them though. He had like, he came in on the 18th, and that was just like a walk-in kind of thing.
Yeah, because he was scheduled for those cases on the 18th for today, along with that civil infraction for the 26th. So he had he had four violations that were issued on July 26, 2020. And they were scheduled for March 11th, but he came in on February 18th, and I didn't realize that he had that civil infraction that was scheduled along with those cases. And also, I think I may have defaulted him in error because it should have been rolling with this misdemeanor.
And
so all the other stuff, I don't know what's going on with all that. The other
I think I messed up. You said he had a misdemeanor originally associated with it.
Yeah, I can give you the case number, Judge.
Appreciate it.
It is. I just have to find it one more time. Hold on. 26. Okay, that case number is SP 109-995-31, and he had 3 counts associated with that.
Okay. Okay, I see him now.
Yeah. So that's what happened. Yeah, I guess he had so many civil infractions. We both just missed that other the civil infraction that went along with it, because it's on a whole different like it's by itself on another page.
Mr. Blackwell, sir, can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes, I'm here.
Okay, how you doing, sir? My name is Judge Williams. We're trying to figure out what was going on with your cases. So let me call this matter State of Michigan versus Deonta Blackwell. Cases SP 101-80851. Sir, we missed this matter when we took care of your cases back in February. So I'm gonna set aside the default and dismiss this matter pursuant to a previous plea agreement.
Okay.
Okay. Sir, it looks like you got some other civil infractions out there that you're gonna have to take care of, but you don't have to come to court for anything else.
How do I take care of those fractions?
You gotta pay them.
Just go down 36.
Yep, or the DivDat kiosks, which are around CVS, or you can do it online at 36districtcourt.org.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Blackwell, do you have any other questions?
No other questions.
All right, thank you, sir.
You are.
Okay, Mr. Butler, sir, you ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Could you put your drink down, please? Thank you, sir. This is State of Michigan versus Walter Lynn Butler. Cases, or just one case, U576-35920. Sir, you're charged with one count of solicitation, aid, assist, or venue for the act of prostitution. Sir, that is a misdemeanor with a maximum penalty of up to 93 days in the Wayne County Jail or a $500 fine. Sir, that charge carries a minimum penalty of 45 days in the Wayne County Jail. Sir, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. Mr. Butler, sir, there's an offer in this matter that will allow you to plead to an amended charge of disorderly conduct. Sir, we have an attorney in the room, Mr. Taylor. If you'd like to talk to him going forward about your options, I can put you in a private room with you now.
Yeah, I like to kind of like chat with him about that.
Sure. Okay, sir, give me 1 second to put you in the room. Just join the room, please.
Your Honor?
Yes.
Yeah, he wants to set this for trial.
Okay. Ms. Byers, you got a trial date for us?
Yes, hold on 1 second, Judge.
Or maybe he wants to go in person. Let me ask.
I have April 1st or April 12th. Nope, not April 1st. April 5th or April 12th.
Okay.
Maybe we should just go with April 12th.
Well, I gotta see if he wants,
Okay.
if he needs to do it in person.
Okay.
Mr. Butler?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, did you have a chance to talk with the attorney?
Yeah, I
Mr.
talked to the attorney.
Okay, and sir, it's my understanding you're gonna ask for a trial date in this matter?
Yeah.
Okay, well, sir, I gotta ask you a couple other questions. Is this gonna be, can we do this over Zoom, or do you wanna do this in person?
It's up to you. But I don't know. Would it change anything?
It's just your comfort level. And it'll probably have to be pushed back if we do it in person.
Well, no, we can go ahead and do it on Zoom.
Okay, well then, I'm gonna set a date for April 5th.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Ms. Bias, was that a good date, did you say?
Can we do April 12th, Judge?
Okay, well, Mr. Butler, can you make April 12th?
Yes.
Okay, we'll set this matter for trial April 12th, 2021 at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
All right, sir, do you have any other questions?
That's it, pretty much.
Okay, Mr. Butler, sir, there's gonna be somebody in the room to represent you on that date as well, okay?
Huh?
There's gonna be an attorney in the room to represent you on that date as well.
Okay.
All right, thank you, sir. We'll see you on the 12th.
Okay.
All right, that's all I got.
Have a good day, Your Honor.
You too, good to see you.
Same here. Take care.
Bye. All right, I'm gonna shut it down.
All right,
I'll come down to do part 2 of all them signings.
Okay.
All right. Talk to you later.
All right.
See you.
All right.
Yeah,
See you tomorrow.
I'll be in the courtroom about a half hour. So I'll be there in a bit.
Okay, that's cool, Judge.